thinking, you guys know a lot about inventions from your science class. Now, when scientists see something they can make better, they invent solutions to make it better. I think about things like really heavy bags. Now, I know some of you have been to the airport and flown on planes. When I fly on a plane, I usually take a really heavy bag with me. My bag has wheels on it so that I can move it from one place to another really easily. But bags did not used to have wheels. A scientist invented that. People used to have to try to carry the really heavy bags through the airports. It probably hurt a lot of people's backs and bodies. That's very heavy. A scientist thought, how can I make this better? And they put wheels on the bags. How great is that? I also think about how inventors made safe things like seatbelts. Cars didn't always have seatbelts in them, and people got hurt. Scientists thought, there is a better way to do this. There's a way we can make this safe. So scientists became inventors, and they started inventing things to make our lives better and easier. Today I want to teach you that scientists study things like rocks and nature, animals and outer space. And sometimes when scientists study something, they say, I have a better idea. And then the scientist becomes an inventor. Now, you guys are word scientists. We've been studying the alphabet chart. We study letters, we study words, but lately we've been studying these alphabet charts that we've found. I'm telling you all of this because word scientists might look at their ABC chart and think, some of these pictures are weird, or some of these pictures don't make sense. Like how there's a fox for X, but fox, I caught the first sound, fox starts with a f, like fan. Fox starts with an F, but it ends with an X. So you, as a word scientist, might think, I wish I had a different picture for my alphabet chart. I wish I could invent a new alphabet chart. I was looking at our animal ABC chart, and I started thinking, why is there a mouse with the R? Why would they put a mouse that says like M? Why would they put that with R? R says like red or run. But this is a picture of a mouse. Then I thought, oh, whoever made this alphabet chart, whoever invented this, must have meant rat. This must be a rat. But when I looked at it, I thought it was a mouse. So it confused me. I am a word scientist, so I want to invent a new picture to put here to make it better. Inventors make things better. I think I could make that better. I was also thinking rat. Rat does start with the R sound, but I don't think rats are cute. I think rabbits are cute. Now maybe you like rats, and you like that there's a rat here, but I kind of want a rabbit here. So as an inventor, I want to change that picture. I was also thinking about our food alphabet chart. Now, right here under the U says like umbrella. But under this U, there's a picture of cake. Cake says like carrot. But then I thought, oh, the person who made this drew upside down cake. That's a certain kind of cake. Upside down cake does start with the sound that U makes, like umbrella and upside down cake. So that does work, but I was thinking, I don't really like upside down cake. Actually, I don't think I've ever had upside down cake. I'm an inventor. I need to make this alphabet chart better. I've never really seen upside down cake, so I wouldn't want upside down cake on my alphabet chart. On my alphabet chart, I want pictures that make sense to me. Inventors make things better. So I want to invent a better alphabet chart that will work better for me so that I really know the sounds that each of these letters make. If you found a picture on your alphabet chart that you don't like and you're a scientist that can find ways to make things better, what can you do? You can invent a solution like I did for R. Remember when I said that I thought this was a mouse, so that wouldn't help me with the R sound, but then I realized it was a rat. Rat does make the R sound that R makes, but I don't really like rats. I don't think they're cute, and I kind of wanted something cute there. I thought about rabbits. So I drew a quick little picture of a rabbit, and now I'm going to invent a better picture for my R. Let's see, R is in the middle of the alphabet. Let's check the beginning sound to make sure that rabbit works for R. Rat, rabbit. It's the same sound, so I can put rabbit there. I'm already inventing ways to make my alphabet chart better. Let's look at our normal alphabet chart. There are some pictures on here that I think are boring or maybe kind of weird, pictures that I don't want on my alphabet chart, like ball. I think ball is kind of boring, so I'm going to invent a better picture for that square. Boat, ball, boat. They have the same sound, so I'm putting a boat on my alphabet chart because I think the ball is kind of boring and I like boats. So let's replace boat, ball with boat. Now I'm thinking about fan. I like that fan, but when I think of fans, I think of the fan that I have at home. The fan that I have at home does not look like this one. The fan that I have at home looks like this. So I invented a better way to show the f sound. This fan said f, and this fan says f. I just wanted to make it look more like my fan at home so that when I saw it, I could say, that's fan. Fan says f. I was thinking about the G. This is a goat for G, but when I look at this picture, I see this fence in the picture, and it makes me think it's fence, but that's not the word, it's goat. So I'm gonna cover this up with a girl, girl, goat. It works. I changed the picture. Now I'm thinking of the question. I just think that's kind of boring. It's just a question mark, so I want to make it more fun. When I think of I think of a queen. Question, queen. So I added a picture for queen. The last one that I want to change on this alphabet is X. This says fox. Fox ends with the x sound, but it starts with the f sound. So I want to add a picture that starts with X. I know that X-ray starts with X. So I'm changing my fox picture to X-ray. Now this alphabet chart is exactly how I want it to look to help me. I invented a new way to sound out all of these words. Let's look at our next alphabet chart. Our food alphabet chart. Now there's some pictures of food on this alphabet chart that I don't eat. So I thought I should change those to things that I do like or things that I do eat. Like F. They have fish for F. I don't eat fish, but I do eat French fries. French fries, fish. I'm gonna switch those. Bye-bye, fish. The next one that I really want to change is hot dog. I do not eat hot dogs, but I do like hot chocolate. So I'm gonna switch hot dog for hot chocolate. Bye-bye, hot dog. The last one that I want to change is quesadilla. Q says like queen or question. But this quesadilla doesn't say that. The quesadilla says K. So I want to change it to a word that says qu. It's got to be food because this is our food chart. I chose quick oats. If you don't know what quick oats are, it's kind of like oatmeal. This starts with a qu sound, just like Q makes, like question, queen, quick oats. That's all that I wanted to change about my food alphabet. I love all of these other foods like A, apple, A, B, banana, B, C, carrot, K. But I changed the ones that I don't eat so that I would really be able to use this alphabet chart to help me sound things out. Last, let's look at our animal alphabet chart. We already said bye-bye to that rat and said hello to that cute rabbit. Both have the R sound. Let's change a couple more things about this alphabet chart. First, I was looking at the giraffe. Now, giraffe starts with a G, but it says J. I want to replace it with the one that says G, like gorilla. Gorilla, G. That makes sense to me, so I'm putting that there. The last one I want to change is the M. This is a mole rat. Mole rat starts with the sound, but I've never seen a mole rat. I have seen a mongoose, so I drew a mongoose. Do they have the same sound? Mongoose, mole rat. They do, so I can switch it. Bye-bye, mole rat. Hello, mongoose. Now that I've made my 3 alphabet charts better so that they will work better for me, we can read them like scientists. Now, it would take a really long time to chant every single alphabet, so let's just read the pictures that I changed. Let's start with our yummy food alphabet. F, French fries. H, hot chocolate. Q, quick oats. That's all that I changed on that alphabet. I invented a better food alphabet for myself. Now let's look at the animal alphabet. Let's read what I changed. G, gorilla. G. M, mongoose. M. R, rabbit. R. That's all that I changed on our animal alphabet. Now let's see what I changed on our typical alphabet that we used. B, boat. B. F, fan. F. G, girl. G. Q, queen. Qu. And X, x-ray. X. So I made all three of those alphabet charts better for myself. These are the alphabet charts that I invented to be better for me. But maybe they wouldn't be better for you. Maybe something else would be better for you. Because maybe you don't know what quick oats are. And if you don't know what they are, it's not going to help you with the letter. And maybe you liked the ball instead of the boat. So you would rather have the ball there instead of a boat. Maybe that would help you. I can't wait to see how you word scientists change your alphabet during your schoolwork today. It's time for Fast Phonics. This is the letter A. It makes the A sound like apple. The letter is A. The sound is A. Let's read it, sound it, write it, and use it. Read it with me. A. Sound it with me. A. Now let's write the letter A. The uppercase A is tall. Start at the top, slant down, and go across like a bridge. Lowercase a is small. Go around and then a line down on the right side. Tall uppercase A, small lowercase a, and our letters always touch the bottom line. Now, we need to use A to make some words. You may have noticed that I already wrote some words here. Some of them start with the A sound in A. Some of them do not. Let's figure it out. And starts with the A sound. Ask starts with the A sound. At starts with the A sound. Map starts with the sound, not the A sound. But look, there's an A in the middle, but it doesn't start with an A. Am starts with the A sound. Can starts with the K sound. The A is in the middle. Cat, at starts with the K sound. A is in the middle. It doesn't start with A. So these are our words that start with the A sound. Ant, ask, at, am. The other words had the A sound in the middle, but not at the very start of the word. Let's read, spell, and write our word see. Read it with me. See. Spell it. S-E-E-C. Spell it one more time. S-E-E-C. Now let's write the word see. C starts with the sound that S makes. S goes round and around. S-E. C. S-E-E-C. Scientists use words like see whenever they want to tell you that they notice something important, like how we talk about things that we see on the alphabet chart as word scientists. I have this wonderful book about the letter A, and it's all about words that we can see that start with the letter A. The Letter A. The Letter A by Mary Linding. She wrote the words and drew the pictures, or took the pictures. I see ABC. I see adding. I see aprons. I see art. I see adults. I see arms. I see an apple. Today, as word scientists, we learn how to make things easier and better for ourselves, just like inventors do when they see a problem. Bags being too heavy was a problem, so inventors put wheels on bags to make it easier for us. We can choose better pictures for our alphabet chart to make it easier for us to find the letters and sounds that we need to use and write.